Coach Moo, Top Flight Sports Performance. Today I'd like to talk to you about the Nike SuperRep Go 3 Next Nature Flyknit. I was very surprised when I took the shoe out of the box, let alone trained in it. So let's get through the basics real quick for those of you that care about fit and all that stuff. So true to size, toe box is very narrow. It's a narrow fit overall, but definitely in the toe box. The drop, I'd say, is a little high, not as high as some other shoes, but overall, I would say it's medium. So not a high drop, not a low drop, somewhere in the middle. The Flyknit is stretchy yet supportive, so I really feel like balance describes the shoe on a lot of different levels. So again, it's breathable. The upper, which is Flyknit, stretchy yet structured, and it's breathable, which is great. The outsole, you've got the different pods, and you've got the different lanes that allow you to move forward, laterally, and there are some reinforced areas which I really like. You know, Nike's been reinforcing the forefoot area a lot more, I feel like, and this shoe is definitely reflective of that. So the midsole is a foam, which, for as light as this shoe is, it definitely absorbs a lot of force. So this is great for, you know, first of all, if you want to run on a treadmill, this is more of an indoor shoe. I wouldn't wear it outdoors too much, but definitely indoors, not a problem. So your high intensity impact training. If you're doing plyometrics, so CrossFit type stuff, I think you could do some light lifting in here as well. So that's great. All the drills where I really needed my foot to be locked in so I could push off or explode in a different direction rapidly, this shoe was very responsive. And I really enjoyed trying it out. So for $100, I think this is a great shoe. Actually, because it's lighter and kind of bouncy, not too much, but just enough. I mean, it's better than a few other shoes that I've tried out, like the Metcon 7s. This is a lighter shoe. I think the Metcon 7s are a little bit sturdier. However, for the things that I really like to do, agility type work, quick plyometrics, I actually would prefer this shoe. Now, when it comes to hitting the weight room, that's when the Metcon 7 would come in. There was a ZoomX trainer that came out. This part is very similar to the ZoomX, which, you know, makes me think about it. But again, this one has a better feel to it. The ZoomX was kind of clunky. This is a breath of fresh air, in my opinion. So I think I covered all the bases. Colorways, again, this one is pretty cool. The other ones are just, you know, your basic. I think there was a black and a green. So not a lot of colorways, but it just came out. So I'm sure as time goes on, they will start making different colorways. But for right now, there's only 3 colors. $100. I definitely think that for the price, this is a phenomenal shoe. So again, this is the Nike SuperRep Go 3 Next Nature Flyknit. I enjoyed it. I hope you do too. Also, I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, which is kind of a big thing for YouTube, which, you know what, the people who have been subscribing, thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that button. I will continue to review shoes. There are a few more Nike shoes coming out, so I'll definitely grab them, take them for a test drive, and let you know what I think about them. Win your day. Talk to you soon.